Okay, good morning students. Next question. What is the force between two small charged spheres having charges of 2 into 10 to the power of minus 7 coulomb and 3 into 10 to the power of minus 7 coulomb placed 30 centimeter apart in air? Here we can apply our basic law, Coulomb's law. टू चार स्पीयर्स है, एक एक चार्ज है 2 इंटू टेन टू द पावर माइनस 7 और एक स्पीयर क्या है 3 इंटू टेन टू द पावर माइनस 7 चार्जिंग है. दोनों स्पीयर्स के बीच में कितना है डिस्टेंस 30 सेंटीमीटर. कैन वी से दैट इज आर. लेट अस अप्लाई कूलम्स लॉ. Let us apply Coulomb's law. Here two spheres are there. This is one sphere, this is another sphere. How much is the distance? 30 centimeter. This is 2 into 10 to the power of minus 7. This is 3 into 10 to the power of minus 7. Of course, both are positive. Both are positive means the nature of force is repulsive. The nature of force is repulsive. This is also plus, this is also plus means the nature of force is repulsive. Let us apply how much is the magnitude of that force. For that we can apply our Coulomb's law. This is Coulomb's law. What is the value of 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught 9 into 10 to the power of 9. How much is the value of Q1? 2 into 10 to the power of minus 7. Q1 value कितना है 2 into 10 to the power of minus 7. How much is Q2? 3 into 10 to the power of minus 7 divided by R value 30 centimeter. 30 centimeter can we write 30 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meter. 30 centimeter can we write 30 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meter. Okay. Now 30 into 10 to the power of minus 2. 30 into 10 to the power of minus 2 can you write 3 into 10 to the power of minus 1 meter. 30 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meter can you write 3 into 10 to the power of minus 1 meter for simplification. Now 3 into 10 to the power of minus 1 square. Now 9 into 2. 18 into 3. 54. 9 minus 7 minus 7 minus 14 divided by 9 into 10 to the power of minus 2. Now 9 ones are 9, 6 plus 9 minus 14 minus 5. This minus 2 becomes plus 2. Now F is equal to 6 into 10 to the power of minus 3 Newton. What is the nature of force? The nature of force is repulsive. The nature of force is repulsive. You see 6 into 10 to the power of minus 3 Newton. 6 into 10 to the power of minus 3 Newton repulsive. This much is the force exerted between two spheres. Basic. This is suitable for 2 marks. कितने marks के लिए suitable है 2 marks. Next question. Next question. 13 4-point charges QA is equal to 2 microcoulomb, QB is equal to minus 5 microcoulomb, QC is equal to 2 microcoulomb, QD is equal to minus 5 microcoulomb are located at the corners of a square A, B, C, D of side 10 centimeter. एक side कितना है 10 centimeter. All sides are equal. What is the force on a charge of 1 microcoulomb placed at the center of the square? This is a concept based question. Concept based question. Question is lengthy but answer is very simple. This is suitable for how many marks? 2 marks. Question lengthy है, concept based question है, no calculation but understanding is much more. Both understanding है यहाँ पे. One of the NCERT question you see here A, B, C, D. At A plus 2 microcoulomb, at B minus 5 microcoulomb, at C plus 2 microcoulomb, at D minus 5 microcoulomb. 4 charges are there. At the center of square, O is the center of the square. What is O? O is the center of square. Okay. 10 centimeter. एक side क्या है 10 centimeter and you know all sides are equal. All sides are equal in square. What happens? All sides are equal. Okay, let us see A, B, C, D. The figure shows a square of side 10 centimeter with 4 charges placed at its corner. A corner है, B corner है, C corner है, D corner है. And O is the center of the square. O क्या है यहाँ पे? Center of square है. At O how much is the charge placed? 1 microcoulomb charge placed. O में कितना charge रखे? 1 microcoulomb. हमारा aim क्या है? What is the force on a charge 1 microcoulomb placed at the center of square? how much is the force acted by all four charges at the center O? कितना फोर्स एक्ट करते हैं कौन? फोर चार्जेस किसके ऊपर? 1 माइक्रोकूलम kept at O. This 1 microcoulomb is kept at O. On that, how much is the force exerted by all charges? वो हमारे को कैलकुलेट करना है. Let us see. This 1 microcoulomb, this plus 2. This is also plus, this is also plus. Plus plus means repulsive. तो ये 1 माइक्रोकूलम जो है ये से अट्रैक्ट होते हैं, रिपेल होते हैं, रिपेल होते हैं. That's why arrow is towards 1 microcoulomb plus 2 microcoulomb plus 1 microcoulomb attracts or repulse, repulse. That's why the direction is FA. Repel हो रहे तो इधर बता रहे. Next. Similarly, this 1 microcoulomb and this plus 2 microcoulomb attracts or repulse, repulse, plus plus repulse. That's why the arrow indicates this. This is FC, this is FA. ये FC है. 1 माइक्रोकूलम प्लस 2 माइक्रोकूलम से रिपेल हो रहा, ये प्लस 1 माइक्रोकूलम ये प्लस 2 माइक्रोकूलम से रिपेल हो रहा. रिपेल बोले तो ऐसा डायरेक्शन बता रही, इधर भी रिपेल बोले तो ऐसा. सिमिलरली दिस 1 माइक्रोकूलम एंड प्लस 5 माइक्रोकूलम, प्लस 1 है माइक्रोकूलम है और एक क्या है माइनस 5 माइक्रोकूलम है. वन इज प्लस 1 माइक्रोकूलम, अनदर वन इज माइनस 5 माइक्रोकूलम. वेदर दे अट्रैक्ट्स और रिपेल्स, वेदर दे अट्रैक्ट्स और रिपल्स, डेफिनेटली दे रिपेल्स और अट्रैक्ट्स. टेल मी, दिस इज प्लस, दिस इज माइनस. एक प्लस है एक माइनस है, अट्रैक्ट होते रिपेल होते, प्लस प्लस रहे तो रिपेल हो गए. अब एक प्लस है एक माइनस है, एक प्लस है माइनस बोले तो अट्रैक्ट्स. प्लस 1 माइक्रोकूलम एंड माइनस 5 माइक्रोकूलम क्या करते हैं? अट्रैक्ट करते हैं. दैट्स व्हाई दिस 1 माइक्रोकूलम केप्ट एट O अट्रैक्टेड टुवर्ड्स माइनस 5 माइक्रोकूलम. देखो एरो देखो, ये अट्रैक्शन है, ये क्या था? रिपल्शन था. This 1 microcoulomb is attracted towards minus 5 microcoulomb. This is FB. Similarly, this 1 microcoulomb is get attracted by minus 5 microcoulomb. Plus minus attracts, and this is shown along FD. ये भी attraction है, ये भी attraction है. Now what happens? This 1 microcoulomb get repelled by plus 2 microcoulomb. This 1 microcoulomb get repelled by plus 2 microcoulomb. They kept exactly opposite. That's why resultant force is 0. This 1 microcoulomb attracts towards minus 5 microcoulomb. वही 1 microcoulomb attract towards minus 5 microcoulomb. इधर भी ये 1 को A से भी रिपेल हो रहे और ये 1 C से भी रिपेल हो रहे. देखो यहाँ पे this 1 microcoulomb get repelled by plus 2 microcoulomb. This 1 microcoulomb get repelled by plus 2 microcoulomb. This 1 microcoulomb attracted towards minus 5 microcoulomb. This 1 microcoulomb attracted towards minus 5 microcoulomb. दोनों तरफ अट्रैक्ट हो रहे. 1 माइक्रोकूलम दोनों तरफ अट्रैक्ट हो रहे, वही 1 माइक्रोकूलम दोनों तरफ क्या हो रहे? रिपेल हो रहे. Okay, then resultant force is 0. Let us see here. Force of repulsion on 1 microcoulomb charge kept at O exerted by 2 microcoulomb charge kept at A cancelled by, cancel होते कैसे? Force of repulsion between 1 microcoulomb and plus 2 microcoulomb kept at A cancelled by force of repulsion between 1 microcoulomb and plus 2 microcoulomb charge kept at C. ये दोनों repulsive force क्या हुए? कैंसिल हुए. नेक्स्ट, फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन किनके बीच में? 1 microcoulomb kept at O attracted by 5 microcoulomb kept at B. This attractive force get cancelled by attractive force between 1 microcoulomb at O and minus 5 microcoulomb at D. Get cancel. Attractive force भी cancel हो गए, repulsive force भी cancel हो गए. Force of attraction on 1 microcoulomb charge kept at O exerted by minus 5 microcoulomb charge at B is get cancelled by force exerted by charge kept minus 5 microcoulomb kept at D. ओके, ये अट्रैक्टिव फोर्स भी कैंसिल है, दोनों तरफ अट्रैक्ट हो रहे तो रिजल्टेंट इज 0, दोनों तरफ रिपल्शन हो रहे रिजल्टेंट इज 0. देयरफॉर नेट फोर्स कॉज्ड बाय द 4 चार्जेस, ये पूरे A B C D, हाउ मच इज द नेट फोर्स एट पॉइंट O ड्यू टू ऑल 4 चार्जेस इज 0. Therefore, net force caused by the 4 charges placed at the corner of the square on 1 microcoulomb charge at center is 0. चारों चार्ज मिलके 1 माइक्रोकूलम के ऊपर कितना फोर्स डाल रहे? 0. That is the thing. Now you see, plus 2 माइक्रोकूलम plus 1 माइक्रोकूलम attracts और repulse? Repulse. तो ये 1 माइक्रोकूलम plus 2 माइक्रोकूलम से रिपेल हो रहा. This 1 माइक्रोकूलम और plus 2 माइक्रोकूलम अट्रैक्ट हो रहा है, रिपेल हो रहा है, रिपेल हो रहा. That's why the repulsive force Fa and Fc cancel each other because they are in opposite direction. Similarly, 1 microcoulomb attracted towards minus 5 microcoulomb. This 1 microcoulomb attracted towards minus 5 microcoulomb. देखो arrow देखो ये. This is the arrow. This is the arrow. That's why Fb and Fd they cancel out. कौन कौन cancel हो रहे? Fa and Fc cancel. Similarly, Fb and Fd cancel. That's why Fa and Fc cancel, Fb and Fd also cancel. Fa and Fc cancel हो रहे और Fb and Fd भी cancel हो रहे. That's why net force acting on a 1 microcoulomb charge by all 4 charges is 0. That's why final result, net force caused by the 4 charges placed at the corner of the square on 1 microcoulomb charge at the center of O is 1 microcoulomb center O में रखे. What is O? O is the center of square. वहाँ पे 1 माइक्रोकूलम है, 4 चार्जेस कॉर्नर में है, वो 4 चार्जेस O के ऊपर कितना फोर्स एक्सर्ट करते हैं? 0. बिकॉज Fa, Fc कैंसल, Fb and Fd कैंसल. दिस इज 13th problem. Okay. Next question. Question number 14. An electric dipole consisting of a pair of equal and opposite charges, each of magnitude 5 microcoulomb, has a dipole moment equal to 5 into 10 to the power of minus 7 coulomb meter. Find the length of the dipole. Let us see. An electric dipole consisting of a pair of equal and opposite charges, एक प्लस है एक माइनस है, मैग्नीट्यूड ये चार्ज है Q, dipole moment 5 into 10 to the power of minus 7. Is it P? Yes. Coulomb meter. Find the length of the dipole. Length of the dipole means separation. What is the formula? 2a. Symbol is 2a. This is Q. This is P. What we want? 2a. You see the diagram? One is plus Q. Another one is minus Q. How much is the separation? What is separation? Length of the dipole. 2a को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Length of the dipole. What is the well-known formula? Electric dipole moment P is equal to Q into 2a. What we want? 2a. Therefore 2a is equal to P by Q. Substitute करो. P वैल्यू कितना है? 5 into 10 to the power of minus 7 डिवाइडेड बाई Q वैल्यू कितना है? 5 माइक्रो है. माइक्रो minus 6. Now minus 7 plus 6 minus 1 0.1 meter. Therefore 2a is the length of dipole 0.1 meter. What is 2a? Length of the dipole is how many meter? 0.1 meter. Next question, 15th. An electric dipole with a dipole moment P वैल्यू कितना है? 3 into 10 to the power of minus 8 coulomb meter placed with its axis making an angle 30 degree. ये थीटा है, ये P है, ये थीटा है. With uniform electric field experiences a torque 1.2. ये tau है. This is tau. This is theta. ये क्या है? P है. You have P, you have theta, you have tau. Calculate the magnitude of electric field. What they want? They want E. They given P, they given tau, they given theta, they want E. What is the formula? Torque acting on a dipole formula. Tau is equal to P sin theta is the magnitude of torque acting on a dipole. Tau is equal to P sin theta. We want E. E is equal to tau divided by P sin theta. Substitute karo values. How much is the tau? 1.2 10 to the power of 3. How much is P? Dipole moment 3 into 10 to the power of minus 8 sin 30 degree. Now E 1.2 10 to the power of 3. This minus 8 when it goes to numerator plus 8 divided by 3. How much is sin 30 degree? 1 by 2. Now 1.2 this 2 goes numerator. 8 3 11. This is 3. What is 1.2 into 2? 2.4 divided by 3 into 10 to the power of 11. How much is the value of 2.4 divided by 3? 2.4 divided by 3, 0.8. 0.8 into 10 to the power of 11, or is equal to 8 into 10 to the power of 10 Newton per Coulomb is the magnitude of electric field. How much is the magnitude of electric field? 8 into 10 to the power of 10 Newton per Coulomb. 8 into 10 to the power of 10 Newton per Coulomb. Next problem. 8 into 10 to the power of 10 Newton. Next problem. These all are 2 mass questions. These all are 2 mass questions. An electric dipole consists of 2 opposite charges, because electric dipole always consists of one is plus q, another one is minus q, each of magnitude. एक चार्ज कितना है? ये हुआ q, 8 नैनो कूलम सेपरेटेड बाई 8 सेंटीमीटर. ये क्या हुआ? 2a. दोनों के बीच में सेपरेशन कितना है? 8 सेंटीमीटर. वो सेपरेशन को हम क्या बोलते हैं? लेंथ ऑफ द डाइपोल. द डाइपोल इज प्लेस्ड इन एन एक्सटर्नल इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. ये क्या है? E है. This is E. E is equal to 5 into 10 to the power of 5 Newton per Coulomb. What is the maximum torque? Tau max will the field exert on the dipole. What is the formula? Tau max PE. Tau is P sin theta. What is tau max? P, because tau max is equal to PE sin 90. Sin 90 degree value is 1. That's why maximum torque is PE. Basic formula, tau is equal to PE sin theta. Sin 90 degree is 1. That's why maximum torque acting on a dipole is tau max is equal to P. Let us see. ये given है. Q है. Nano means minus 9. Next. Length of the dipole 8 centimeter. Centimeter है. Centimeter means 10 to the power of minus 2 meter. How much is E? 5 into 10 to the power of 5 Newton per Coulomb. Let us calculate P. Q value 8 into 10 to the power of minus 9. 8 into 10 to the power of minus 9. ये Q है. Next 2A. 8 into 10 to the power of minus 2 now. 8. 64 into 10 to the power of minus 11. Dipole moment. What is the unit of dipole moment? The unit of dipole moment is coulomb meter. Here you got centimeter. यहाँ पे सेंटीमीटर है, यहाँ पे coulomb meter है. One should not get confused. जब separation आया तो सेंटीमीटर में रहता. Separation means centimeter. When dipole moment P comes, you read it as coulomb meter. Dipole moment आए तो coulomb meter. Separation आए तो centimeter. Now what is the formula? Maximum torque acting on a dipole kept in uniform magnetic field. Tau max is equal to P. How much is P? 64 into 10 to the power of minus 11. How much is E? E value 5 into 10 to the power of 5. 64 into this minus 11 plus 5 minus 6. 64 into 5. 64 into 5. 320. Therefore, tau max is equal to 320 into 10 to the power of minus 6. 32 into 10 to the power of 1 into 10 to the power of minus 6. 320 को हम ऐसा लिख सकते हैं क्या? 32 into 10. Can we write 320 as 32 into 10? Therefore, tau max is equal to 32 plus 1 minus 6. Plus 1 minus 6 is minus 5. What is the unit of torque? Newton meter. What is the formula for basic maximum torque? Tau is equal to P sin theta. What is maximum torque? For maximum torque, theta value is 90. Sin 90 degree value is 1. Okay. 32 into 10 to the power minus 5 Newton meter. Okay. Basic formula, tau is equal to P sin theta. Tau is equal to P sin theta. If theta value 90 degree, then tau becomes maximum P E sin 90 degree. How much is sin 90 degree? 1. How much is sin 90 degree? 1. Therefore, this is the maximum torque. ये क्या होता है? Maximum torque. Substitute करो values. P value substitute करो, E value substitute करो, आपको आंसर आते हैं. These all are 2 marks problem. ये सब क्या है? 2 mark के प्रॉब्लम है. ये पूरे 2 mark के प्रॉब्लम है. These all are 2 marks problem. You solve carefully. Day to day you read it. Okay, whatever videos I am sending you, people are keeping as it is pending. Day to day how to watch it. आपके खाली मोबाइल में रह रहे आप वॉच करो एंड प्रॉब्लम्स प्रैक्टिस करो. बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम्स को प्रैक्टिस करो. एनसीईआरटी बुक में सेलेक्टेड प्रॉब्लम्स जो है मैं प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर्स के भी सॉल्व करे. इवन मार्च 2020 तक सॉल्व करे. सेलेक्टेड प्रॉब्लम्स 5 मार्क्स के, स्क्वायर, ट्रायंगल पूरे प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करे. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट यू पीपल आल्सो प्रैक्टिस इट विद लिस्ट ऑफ फार्मूले, नीटली नोटबुक में एंटर करो और प्रैक्टिस करो, रफ नोटबुक में पूरे प्रॉब्लम्स प्रैक्टिस करो. ओके, थैंक यू.